How to share a file and folder with Dropbox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share file and folder using Dropbox. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you need to open up your browser. In the browser, make sure that you are in the Dropbox homepage. Once you're in the Dropbox homepage, make sure that you are logged in successfully. Now that you are logged in, you need to simply click on Create a Folder option. Then you need to simply type the name of your folder. Then you need to click on Create. Now that the folder has been created, you need to drag anything on the folder. You need to simply click on Upload, and from here you need to click on Files. Let's say I want to add this to over here, then you need to simply click on Open. Now that it has been added to your folder, let's say you want to share the folder with someone. Here you can simply copy the link of this folder and then you can share it manually, or you can see the share folder option, so simply click on share folder. From here you can add people. Then you can add the email address of the people that you want to give the access of the folder to. Now, once you have added the person, you can see that people added can edit or can view option. You need to simply click on can view if you don't want to give them the editing permissions. Or if you want to give them the permission to edit, you can keep it can edit. And once you have done that, you need to click on share. And that's it. Your folder has been successfully shared to that particular person. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.